Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture of material science course and today we are going to discuss about coordination number. Yes, you heard it right. आज हम coordination number की बात करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले let us see कि क्या होता है coordination number. Coordination number is basically defined as the total number of atoms which are in contact with any other atom in the crystal lattice. I repeat it again. Total number of atoms which are directly in contact with any other atom in the crystal lattice is called coordination number. Now be very careful, I am not using the word unit cell, I am using the word crystal lattice. We are going to see the total number of atoms which are in contact with any other atom in the whole crystal lattice, not only just in one unit cell, right? So चलिए सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि how many atoms are in contact with any other atom in a simple cubic unit cell. So first of all, let us draw a simple cubic unit cell. This is our simple cubic unit cell, right? Now we know that the atoms are present at each of the 8 corners of this unit cell, but we also have to see the total number of atoms which are in contact in the entire crystal lattice. So we are not going to see just one unit cell, we are going to see the total crystal lattice. So we will have to take into account the atoms which are present also in the neighborhood of this atom. So let us draw the let us draw the unit cell which is just in contact with this particular face. See, we are also having one atom which is just in contact with this particular front face. We are having one unit cell which is just in contact with the front face, and this is represented like this, right? And we are also having one unit cell which is present here, right? So this is the crystal lattice. Okay, here this was the first unit cell, this was our unit cell, and then we draw the next 3 unit cells which are in contact with this particular unit cell, right? So now let us focus on the atom which was present at this corner, right? We have to focus on the atom which is present at this corner. So let us draw its projection of this atom which was present at this unit cell on this plane. इस यूनिट सेल पर जो एटम था इस कॉर्नर पे, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, उस एटम का प्रोजेक्शन इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेन पर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So this atom which was present at this corner, this atom is in contact with the atom which was present at this corner, right? ये जो एटम था जो इस कॉर्नर पर प्रेजेंट है, दिस एटम इज इन कॉन्टैक्ट विच इज प्रेजेंट विद द एटम विच इज प्रेजेंट एट दिस कॉर्नर. This atom is also in contact with the atom which is present at this corner. This atom is also in contact with the atom which is present at this corner, and this atom is also in contact with the atom which is present at this corner. So सिर्फ इस प्लेन में, if we talk only about this plane, so the atom which was present at this corner, this is in contact with 4 other atoms which are also present in the same plane. Now apart from these 4 atoms, this atom will also be in contact with the atom which is present at this corner. See, this was just the vertical projection, this was just the projection. If we will look at this atom which is present at this corner from the top, then it was the top projection of this atom on this vertical plane, right? Sorry, on this particular plane. But this atom is also is a spherical atom, right? It is having its part here in top as well as in bottom, right? So it is also having contact with the atom which is present just below it, and it is also having contact with the atom which is present just above it. So apart from the 4 atoms, which are in contact with this atom in this particular plane, it is also making contact with two atoms which are just in top and bottom of this particular corner. So all in all, this atom, this one single atom is making contact with 6 other atoms, 4 in the same plane and 2 from top and bottom. So total number of atoms which are making contact with this single atom in the whole crystal lattice, not just in a particular unit cell but in the whole crystal lattice, is equal to 6. So the coordination number for a simple cubic unit cell is going to be 6. I hope you understood it. You are not having any doubt. This is all about visualization. Okay, now let us talk about the coordination number for a body centered cubic unit cell. See, अगर आपको ये फिगर दिखा नहीं, because I did it from a ball point pen, so let me draw it with the sketch pen and again explain you. We were having one atom at this corner. What we did, we draw its projection from top on this particular plane. When we will look at this atom from the top, then I drew its projection on this particular plane. So this atom is in contact with the atom which is at this corner. This atom is also in contact with the atom which is at this corner. This atom is also in contact with the atom which is at this corner, and this atom is also in contact with the atom at this corner. So इस particular plane में ये atom 4 other atoms के साथ contact में है. And apart from these 4 atoms, this atom which is present at this particular corner, this is a complete sphere, right? This is a complete sphere. So it is also making contact with the atom which is at the top and the bottom of it. So all in all, the atom which was present at this corner is making contact with 6 other atoms. So the coordination number for a simple cubic unit cell is equal to 6. Now next we are going to focus on the coordination number for a body centered cubic unit cell. First of all, let us draw it. In a body centered cubic unit cell, we know that apart from the atoms which are present at the corners, we also have one complete atom present at the center of the unit cell, right? We are having atoms at each of the 8 corners, and apart from the atoms at corner, we are also having one atom at the center of the body. And we know that these atoms at the corner don't touch each other, but every atom which is present at each of the 8 corners, each and every atom makes contact with the atom which is present at the center. With this atom, each and every other atom which is present at the corner makes contact. So at any given point of time, we are having this body centered atom, the atom which is present at the center, in contact with the 8 other atoms which are present at the corners. I repeat it again. In a body centered cubic unit cell, हमारे पास 8 corner पर 8 atoms होते हैं. And apart from these atoms which are at each of these 8 corners, हमारे पास एक atom वो भी होता है जो body के center पे होता है. जो एटम्स कॉर्नर्स पे होते हैं वो आपस में कांटेक्ट नहीं बनाते, बट द कॉर्नर एटम्स आर इन कांटेक्ट विद द एटम विच इज प्रेजेंट एट द सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी. ये जो सेंटर वाला एटम है जो बॉडी के सेंटर पे मौजूद है, ये एटम हर एक कॉर्नर एटम के साथ कांटेक्ट में होता है. सो ऑल इन ऑल इट इज इन कांटेक्ट विद ऑल द 8 एटम्स विच आर प्रेजेंट एट ईच ऑफ द 8 कॉर्नर्स. सो द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर फॉर अ बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल इज इक्वल टू 8. Now at last let us find out the coordination number for a face centered cubic unit cell, right? First of all, let us draw its crystal lattice. See, this is our cube. We know that in a face centered cubic unit cell, apart from the atoms which are present at the corner, we are also having atoms at each of the 6 faces, right? So here we are having atoms at each of the 8 corners, right? We are having atom at the center of the front face. और भी faces पर है, but let us just focus on the atom which is present at the center of the front face. This is also having some of its part in the unit cell which is just in contact with it. right? This atom is also having some of its part in this unit cell, right? So now let us focus on this face, the original face on which it is present. Let us talk just about this face. So on this face, this atom which is at the center of the face is making contact with the 4 atoms which are present at the corners of this face. The corner atoms are not making contact with each other, but each of the corner atoms on this face are making contact with the atom which is present at the center of the face. So इस particular face पर ये center atom, ये जो face centered atom है, this is making contact with 4 atoms, right? Now this atom which is present at the center of face is also having some of its part in this particular unit cell and also having some of its part in this particular unit cell, because it is a sphere, right? It is a sphere. So a sphere has some of its part in this particular unit cell and also has some of its part in this particular unit cell. So the part of the sphere which is in this unit cell, the cell which is behind of this face, this part is making contact with the spherical parts of the atoms which are at these 4 adjacent faces. ये जो पार्ट है, ये चारों एटम्स जो इस फेस के साथ एडजेसेंट है, 1, 2, 3 एंड 4, यहाँ चारों फेसेस पर भी एटम्स है. ये चारों फेसेस पर जो एटम्स हैं, दे आर मेकिंग कॉन्टैक्ट विद द एटम विच वाज प्रेजेंट एट दिस पर्टिकुलर फेस. सो इस पर्टिकुलर यूनिट सेल में दिस फेस एटम इज मेकिंग कॉन्टैक्ट विद 4 atoms. On this vertical face, it is making contact with the 4 corner atoms, and this atom which was having some of its spherical part in this unit cell is also having some of its spherical part in this unit cell. So in this unit cell also, it will make contact with the 4 face atoms which will be present on this face, this top face, this face and the bottom face. So इस unit cell में भी this atom which was present at this face is making contact with 4 other atoms. In this unit cell also it is making contact with 4 other atoms, and on this particular face it is making contact with the 4 corner atoms. So all in all, one single atom in this unit cell, in a face centered cubic unit cell, is making contact with 12 atoms in the total crystal lattice. So the coordination number for a face centered cubic unit cell is going to be 12. I repeat, I summarize what we have studied in this video. First of all, we found out the coordination number for a simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell में जो atom होता है वो ऊपर वाले एटम और नीचे वाले एटम के साथ तो कांटेक्ट बनाता है, साथ ही साथ इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेन में इट मेक्स कांटेक्ट विद द फोर एटम्स विच आर प्रेजेंट हियर 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 एंड हियर. तो ऊपर नीचे 2 एटम और इस प्लेन में 4 एटम. सो टोटल इट मेक्स कांटेक्ट विद 6 अदर एटम्स. सो द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर फॉर अ सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल becomes 6. For a body-centered cubic unit cell, the atom which is present at the center of the body is always in contact with all the 8 atoms which are present at the 8 corners. So the coordination number for a body-centered cubic unit cell becomes 8. And for a face-centered cubic unit cell, the atom which is present at the intersection of 2 unit cells, or the atom which is present at this face, makes contact with 4 atoms in this unit cell, 4 atoms in this unit cell, and also 4 atoms which are present at this particular corner. So all in all, this atom is making contact with 12 other atoms in the total crystal lattice. So the coordination number for the face centered cubic unit cell becomes 12. I hope you would have imagined the 3 figures which I drew here. Okay, so this was all for today's video. I hope you would have understood coordination number. In next video we will start a new topic. For now, thank you.